between operator. So now our turn is of between operator. So I will give you two examples. For one example is I will print so first one example is I will print the person who has born from 1990 to 2000. So between operator, so we can, by using between operator, we can print out the person who is born in 1990 to 2000. So let's do it. Select, then we can do asterisk sign, enter. Now we have customer ID, first name, last name, birth date, phone, address, city, state points. So we want to print birth date. For this we have two ways. One way is using a logical operator, and second way is using a between operator. We can use between operator. We can we can use between operator. We can use between operator or logical operator perform our task to perform our task. So let's write our task. So what is our task? So our task is to print the data, between 1990 Jan 1 to 2000 Jan 1 January 1. So for this we can use two way. We are gonna do two way. One way is using a logical operator. So let's do it. Now from customers, then we can do is where where now customers. Now we can see where customers, where now what can we do, where of birth date. Yes, where birth date, but birth date is greater than birth date is greater sorry birth date is greater or equal to what, greater or equal to 1990, and birth date is less or equal to 2000. So by using this way we can do. No, so we missed something here. No, we miss like this January 1, or so we must put. So for this we will put in double quotation 2000 0101. Then like this we can put where birth date is equal to like this. Now when we print, we can see that no data is coming here because, so let's print once more, nothing coming because what the problem is occurring. I think, oh sorry, sign has been changed. Greater than sign means left sign, greater or equal to this, and less or equal to 1000. So now when we print, then we can get this greater than 1990 and 2000. We can get only 3, which is between the 1990 and 2000. So this is a being longer. To make a shortcut, we can do is like this. So let's delete this, or we can create new file like this, creating school file 23. Then we can do once more, we must write okay. So I just after that we can do is okay. Then let's write it very fast. Where custom, where birth date, I think birth date, where birth date where birth date between where birth date between, or we can where birth date between 2000, between 1990 slash 01 slash 01 and 2000 slash 01 slash 01, like this. Now controls, now like same data has occurred, three data. So this is what from between the 1990 and 2000. So like this we have done. So this is the part 5. I hope you like it.